Are you a beginner and don't know where to start your yoga journey?
Here are 3 basic sitting asanas that you can practice every day to improve your strength and your foundation. Dandasana. Sit on the mat with legs stretched forward, keep the legs engaged and toes pointing inwards. Place the palm in line with the shoulders beside the hips. Keep the spine, neck and head in one straight line. Breathe deeply, keeping the eyes closed. Benefits of Dandasana. Strengthens the back muscles, stretches the shoulders and chest, improves posture. Sukasana. Sit in Dandasana. Now cross your legs by bringing each foot under the thigh of the opposite leg. Adjust and get comfortable in the pose. Your feet should not hold any pressure or stress. Keep your spine and head erect. Place the palms facing upward on the knees. Sit in this pose while breathing normally. Slowly release the legs and sit in Dandasana. Benefits of Sukhasana. Gradually strengthens muscles of the back and improves body posture. Being a meditative pose, it has relaxing effects on the mind and body, helpful in reducing stress and anxiety. Works as a preparatory pose for more difficult meditative poses. Builds physical and mental balance. Padmasana or lotus pose. Sit in Dandasana. Bend the right leg at the knee. Hold the right foot with the hands and place it on your left thigh. Now bend the left leg and place it on the right thigh. Hands in chin mudra on the thighs or palms open to the ceiling. Sit with your spine erect. Breathe in slowly and deeply. Release the legs one by one and repeat with left foot on right thigh respectively. Benefits of Padmasana. Opens the hips, stretches the ankle and knee, body becomes steady for long periods of time, very good meditative posture, it stimulates digestive process, eases menstrual discomfort and sciatica, it also helps keep the joints and ligaments flexible. Vajrasana. Sit in Dandasana. Fold the right leg and bring the foot under the right hip. Now fold the left leg and bring the foot under the left hip. Keeping both the big toes together. Spine straight. Hands on thighs turned up. Breathe deeply and keep your eyes closed. Slowly stretch the legs one by one in front of you. Benefits of Vajrasana. It aids in digestion, can be practiced immediately after any meal for 3 to 5 minutes. It prevents constipation, strengthens pelvic muscles and sexual organs, and flexes knee and ankle joints. Relieves back pain and menstrual discomfort. Stabilizes and calms the mind.
Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy anytime.